Windows play a crucial role in your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. In Fort Lauderdale, where the coastal climate brings heat, humidity, and the occasional tropical storm, your windows must work harder than ever to protect your home. Over time, even the best windows begin to show signs of wear. Recognizing when to replace or upgrade them can save you money, enhance comfort, and improve your property's safety and aesthetics. Rising energy bills. If you've noticed your energy costs creeping up, your windows could be the culprit. Older or poorly sealed windows allow cool air to escape and warm air to seep in, forcing your HVAC system to work overtime. In Fort Lauderdale's hot, humid climate, this inefficiency can be especially costly. Modern, energy-efficient windows with low E coatings, insulated glass, and airtight seals can dramatically reduce your cooling bills and keep your home comfortable year-round. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows should glide smoothly when you open or close them. If yours stick, jam, or refuse to stay open, the frames may have warped due to moisture, heat, or age. In coastal areas like Fort Lauderdale, salt air and humidity can accelerate the deterioration of wood and metal window frames. Upgrading to vinyl or fiberglass windows designed for Florida's climate ensures longevity, easy operation, and resistance to corrosion. Condensation or fog between panes. Foggy or cloudy windows are a telltale sign that the seal between the glass panes has failed. This allows moisture to enter, reducing insulation and visibility. In double or triple pane windows, a broken seal means the insulating gas, like argon or krypton, has escaped, making your windows far less energy efficient. Replacing these damaged windows can restore clarity, improve insulation, and enhance your home's overall look. Drafts or hot spots indoors. Feeling a draft even when your windows are closed is a clear indicator of poor sealing. In Fort Lauderdale, that can mean losing precious cool air during summer and letting in muggy outdoor air that makes your home feel sticky and uncomfortable. Run your hand around the window frame. If you sense air movement, it's time to consider upgrading to modern, weatherproof designs with advanced sealing technology. Visible damage or decay. Cracked glass, peeling paint, and rotting frames not only ruin your home's appearance but can also lead to leaks and pest infestations. Wood rot is particularly common in humid areas, while aluminum frames can corrode over time. Beyond aesthetics, damaged windows compromise your home's security and insulation. Replacing them with hurricane-rated or impact-resistant windows adds both beauty and strength, ideal for Fort Lauderdale's storm-prone environment. Increased outside noise. If you can clearly hear traffic, neighbors, or ocean winds inside your home, your windows may lack adequate insulation. Modern soundproof or laminated glass windows can significantly reduce outside noise, offering peace and quiet even in bustling neighborhoods. For Fort Lauderdale homeowners seeking tranquility, this upgrade can make a dramatic difference in daily comfort. Outdated appearance or poor curb appeal. Sometimes, it's not just about performance, it's about aesthetics. Faded frames, old aluminum sliders, or mismatched styles can make your home look dated. New windows instantly refresh your home's appearance, boost resale value, and reflect your personal style. With options like modern black frames, expansive picture windows, or custom shapes, you can give your Fort Lauderdale home a fresh coastal modern look. Preparing for storm season. Fort Lauderdale residents understand the importance of storm preparedness. If your current windows are not impact rated, your home may be at risk during hurricane season. Upgrading to impact-resistant windows not only provides superior protection from flying debris but can also lower insurance premiums and offer peace of mind when storms roll through. Final thoughts. Your windows are more than just a view. They're a vital part of your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and safety. If you're experiencing any of these warning signs, now is the time to consider replacing or upgrading your windows in Fort Lauderdale. Modern, energy-efficient, and impact-resistant windows can help you save on energy costs, protect your home from storms, and enhance its overall beauty and value. Investing in new windows today means greater comfort, lower bills, and peace of mind for years to come.